And welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Assisterr Airdrop, okay, and how you can be able to mine it using your mobile phone. It's an AI model as well as an AI agent. So for some of you who may not know what an AI agent means, an AI agent is more like a cryptocurrency or a platform that can be able to do or execute cryptocurrency activities without any form of human interaction. The same thing, that's what an AI agent means. So this Assisterr Airdrop or Assisterr as a particular blockchain project is looking forward to doing that same thing, in the sense that they can be able to execute cryptocurrency or blockchain related activities without any form of human interaction. So that's what it is, or trying to be able to solve. It is on the Solana blockchain. It is on the Solana blockchain, and it is also fairly new at the moment, in which somebody can be able to hop into in order to be able to create it. So I'll put the link in the description so that you can be able to follow and how you can be able to mine it. First off, for you to be able to mine it, you use your Phantom wallet or any other Solana wallet that you own. A typical example, Soulflare. So make sure that yours is updated, because some of you guys don't update your apps. Make sure yours is updated, and you can be able to do it on your mobile phone, or even if you are using your computer, that's from the Phantom wallet extension. Next is to be able to open your Phantom wallet. Then you go to your dApp section. Okay, you go to your dApp section here. That's the last icon below on the third. Okay, you go to your dApp section and be able to click on it. Then you copy the code or the link that is already displaying on your screen. You copy the link that is already displaying on your screen, okay, and search for it. So visit the website there, the link showing on your screen, and search for it at the section, okay? At the top of the section, it will be able, that's where you'll be able to post any form of links, if you want to, any form of links that you have at the top. Okay, so if once you click on it, it will load the AI agent. It will load the AI agent for you. Then your first step objective is to be able to connect your wallet. Every single thing that I'm doing is inside my Phantom wallet. The same way we do it when we are doing for Ton. We are going to be opening our Ton Telegram and be inside. Okay, so but this time around, it's inside the Phantom wallet. Then I'll click on select Phantom. So Phantom is now detected. I'll be able to click on it. Then it will request for me to be able to connect my account. Then I'll press connect, then allow it to be able to connect. Now my wallet is now connected. Then I have to sign a message first. Then I have to click on signing of the message, then allow it to be able to load for me. So just a few moments now. Okay, so the first thing here is for you to be able to impute your account. That's creating an account with them. So I do not like this name of the account. I normally use mine, which is Odis Profits. Okay, so it should include 6. Yeah, so this is my account, and I have also added my username, right? So I'll just press on next and proceed with what else that it will be able to show for me. So success, then your user info has now been updated. Then there are now 2 tasks for me to be able to do. Okay, one, I can be able to connect my Twitter handle, which is right here. Then the second one is to be able to connect my Discord handle right here. So you can be able to do it right away on your mobile phone, but I'll just keep on it so that I don't want this video to be long. But you can be able to connect yours and as well as your Discord immediately. So I'll just let me just press skip so that I will not make the video too long. So once you have done that, you now be credited with 20 SAA or Assisterr tokens. So I'll just press on it, and I'm waiting to be able to get the other tokens. So every single thing related to it is now here, and you can be able to interact. So grab your daily tokens by completing the daily task. Okay, the daily task. Then the next will also be for you to be able to send out your invites to people. So the daily task is now showing up. So okay, it's still telling me to come back from, that's 11:59 in terms of hours. So I'll just need to, since I just created it, I just have to wait. Then every other thing here is exploration. So you go to their SML store and look what is happening inside it entirely. Just like in between web application in terms of what the language model is all about, because that's what it is. Then you can be able to go to their AI lab. Particularly, you just want to explore the blockchain. So create new SLM. Then I can be able to just create something new and just wait. So I'll just confirm again. You must be able to do this because this is kind of like a test net that we are still doing. Okay, kind of like a test net that we are still doing. So I'll just come here and say, let me just say Jupyter Assistant. Now I'll just click on it and watch for it. Okay, what is Jupyter? I'll just put it there and add. So it's just for me to be able to add the token. I'll just ask it questions. So basically the same way you use ChatGPT, that's what this thing should be. Okay, so you tend to utilize or make interactions by asking questions to the AI. Okay, not just about claiming the airdrop. Make interactions, ask questions to the AI. I'm not telling you to waste all your tokens, but make interactions. So for you making interactions, the benefit is that it will help you out in terms of the rewards or checking your progress on your tasks. The same way we do transactions, that's what you should be doing here. So interaction with the AI, not just about logging in and maybe you claim 20 and you don't want your own to be going down, but you need to be able to interact with the AI in order for you to be able to get any form of activity check during the time of final assessments. Okay, not just about getting the test tokens and be keeping them or accumulating them. So some of these things can be able to help you at least just make one or two or three for the so that you don't just be left out in terms of any form of criteria. So that's basically every single thing related to Assisterr AI. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join, as well as join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.